Hi, this is Matthew Paulson with MarketBeat.com. I wanted to take a few minutes to introduce you to MarketBeat All Access, our premier level subscription that includes all of the great features of subscribing to MarketBeat Daily Premium, like My MarketBeat, along with several other great research tools. With MarketBeat All Access, you'll get access to a variety of web-based research tools, along with exclusive access to our database of more than 500,000 analyst recommendations. You'll get access to our live newsfeed that contains up-to-the-minute headlines and other bits of important financial information. You also receive access to our proprietary brokerage rankings, our list of top-rated stocks, and a number of other great features. Let's start out with our ratings screener that we refer to as RatingsDB. This is the RatingsDB search page, in which you can search a database of more than 500,000 stock ratings. You can find ratings that meet any criteria that you specify. You can search by brokerage, company, industry, sector, date, action, rating, price target, upside, and keyword. For example, you could find ratings for technology companies, get the latest ratings for a particular brokerage, or find ratings for stocks priced under $5. For example, let's look up ratings for Netflix. After performing the search, you'll see a table of all of the ratings that we have for this stock. On the left, there is a link to view more details about any particular rating. For example, for this particular rating, you can see that Oppenheimer lowered their price target on Netflix from $140 to $123 while maintaining their buy rating. You can see the rationale that Oppenheimer issued here with this excerpt from the research note. Here you can view a list of all of the different websites that mention this particular ratings change. And on the bottom you can view more ratings for Netflix, and you can view more ratings that have been issued by Oppenheimer. I just showed you a screening tool for analyst ratings, but we also have screening tools for corporate earnings announcements, dividend announcements, and insider trades. Let's take a look at the live newsfeed that's included with MarketBeat All Access, which allows you to view a feed of ratings, earnings, dividends, insider trades, and headlines as they come in throughout the day. Currently, I'm receiving live updates for ratings in the U.S. markets, so upgrades and downgrades will appear automatically on this page as they're tracked by MarketBeat throughout the day. You can get updates for all stocks that trade on a particular market, or only for those stocks that you've specified on one of your watch lists. Let's move on to the Brokerage Rankings page, which provides a 7-day, 30-day, and 12-month ROI for the recommendations from each brokerage, as well as the accuracy of their 12-month price targets. For example, if you had purchased all of the stocks that Raymond James had recommended and held them for 12 months, you would have received an average ROI of 32.208%. The average variance column shows how accurate the price target recommendations are. Brokerages with lower variances offer more accurate price targets than those with higher variances. You can also rank brokerages that cover a particular sector, or look at the results over a different period of time. Let's take a look at the company profile section. This is a list of companies that have received the most coverage from analysts, and this is a list of companies that have received the highest average rating from analysts. For example, let's take a look at Netflix's company profile page. Each company profile page contains a treasure trove of information that you can use to research a stock. You can view a full history of analyst ratings for any publicly traded company, as well as a current consensus rating and a current consensus price target. You can view the next earnings date, as well as a full history of earnings, as well as estimates for future quarters. If a company offers a dividend, you can view a full history of a company's dividends. You can view recent insider buying and selling activity. You can view the latest news headlines from a variety of news sources. You can view recent social media activity from StockTwits. You can read the company's description, as well as get some key financial metrics. And you can also view a chart of the company as well. There are a few other features and tools in MarketBeat All Access that are worth mentioning. MarketBeat All Access includes a world-class stock screener that allows you to filter by just about any criteria that you specify. If you want to do your own personal analysis of our data in Microsoft Excel, you can export the last 6 months of analyst ratings, dividend announcements, earnings announcements, and insider trades to Excel or CSV format. You can also view a list of top-ranked companies. And finally, you get access to a number of premium research reports that are only available to MarketBeat All Access subscribers. For example, the Hot Recommendations report shows the most recent upgrades and downgrades from companies that are on our top brokerages list. I also wanted to remind you that subscribing to MarketBeat All Access provides all of the great features of subscribing to MarketBeat Daily Premium. In addition to your premium daily email newsletter, you also receive SMS and email alerts for stocks in your watch list, and you'll get access to our portfolio management tool, My MarketBeat. You can also use MarketBeat to create watch lists of stocks that you own or you're otherwise interested in. MarketBeat includes statistics for each one of your watch lists that help you understand the characteristics and the performance of the stocks that you own. You can also use MarketBeat to view the latest headlines, analyst upgrades and downgrades, and insider trades for your portfolio. Finally, you can view important upcoming dates for your stocks, like earnings announcements, dividend payouts, and conference calls. So that's MarketBeat All Access. With your subscription, you'll receive full access to our database of more than 500,000 stock ratings, a number of advanced stock screeners and research tools, our live feed, our proprietary brokerage rankings, a number of premium reports, and all of the great features of MarketBeat Daily Premium. If you would like to subscribe to MarketBeat All Access, simply click the link below and complete the registration form. Thank you for watching.